Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Excel data to Looker Studio. Step by step, simple, and updated for 2026. If your data lives in Excel and you want to turn it into interactive dashboards, this guide is exactly what you need. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where your Excel data will be visualized. Now, here's an important thing to know. Looker Studio doesn't connect directly to Excel files. So, yeah, the first step is to upload your Excel file to Google Drive and open it with Google Sheets. Once it opens, check that your data is clean and the first row contains column names. Then save the file. Next, go back to Looker Studio and click Add Data. Choose Google Sheets as the data source. Find your uploaded sheet, select the correct tab, and click Add to Report. Your Excel data is now connected through Google Sheets. Once the data is connected, you can start building charts. Click Add a Chart and choose a table, bar chart, or line chart. Looker Studio automatically assigns dimensions and metrics so you'll immediately see your Excel data come to life. Use the right side panel to adjust fields, change chart types, and customize styles. Try different visuals to find what explains your data best. Line charts are great for trends, while bar charts work well for comparisons. Now make your report interactive, add a date range control or filter control so viewers can explore the data without editing the report. Honestly, this makes dashboards much more useful. Before sharing, click View to preview the report and make sure everything works correctly. When you're ready, click Share and give view access to others. And that's how to connect Excel data to Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, flexible, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.